Conveyor installation. Equipped with the required accessories and tools before assembling. Step 1. Installing the baffle column. Insert the 2 screws into the reserved holes under the column respectively. Place the column to the side of the conveyor near the packaging machine and tighten the screws. After installing the baffle column, find 2 cross connectors through the 2 columns respectively, fixing the baffle column and baffle bracket together. Step 2. Put the baffle post on top of the baffle bracket. After adjusting the position and height, tighten the 4 screws on the baffle bracket separately to secure the baffle. Step 3. Open the conveyor motor junction box. Open the protective sleeve and put in the motor wire. Connect each of the 3 wires to the side near the conveyor. Then tighten the protective sleeve. Reclose the junction box. The other end of the motor wire is threaded through the low end of the packaging machine and connected to the packaging machine control cabinet when the main power is off. Find the bottom of the control cabinet's internal cable tray. Connect to the 3 terminals of the reserved conveyor in turn. This is the overall installation process of the conveyor. Thanks for watching.